is a room tour at the Palazzo, Las Vegas, room 37816. This is my very first stay here at the Palazzo. I got a really good rate of $59 a night, and I'm going to see the Backstreet Boys tonight, so I thought I should stay here. So as you enter the restroom. And it is big and lovely and pretty. Very big walk-in shower with your toiletries. Nice soap tub. I'm gonna use that tonight after the show. Of course, you have 2 sinks. Very big mirror. Got your lotions, soap, and there is a TV in here, so you could watch TV or when you take a bath, supposedly. Okay. And then we have a nice little vanity area where you can do your makeup. And let's see what's in here. Oh, there's some little fun things. Oh, what is this? What is it? Oh, there's a sewing kit. Oh, Q-tips, a nail file, and let's see what else. Oh, a shower cap. I enjoy that. That is nice. There's a magnifying mirror, and over here is your water closet, and of course your phone in case you need to make important business calls while you're on the toilet. Very big mirror. Hello. This room is so nice. This is a basic room. I opted to stay at Palazzo instead of Venetian just because it's closer to the Sphere, and it's my first time here, and sometimes I get lost in Venetian. So over here we have the closet, and we do have a robe. That's nice. And here's your safe, and there are hangers, and of course an iron and an ironing board. Oh, what are these? Are these? No slippers. No slippers. That's okay. Over here we have your nightstand and your telephone. Very nice big king-size bed. Feels very comfortable. A little footstool, a little chair over here. Another little nightstand with a clock. All your electrical ports are back there, I think. Let's see. There are some on top of here, but I would say that's the major one. Let's see. Is there one over here? No, so that would be where you have to plug in if you want it near your... You have your dresser and very nice big TV. Nice ice bucket. Look at this thing. Oh, this is kind of fancy. The little scoopies on top of the thing, and actual glasses. That's nice. Let's see what's in here. We got a drawer. Got another drawer. Got another drawer. I feel like there's no, just drawers. Okay, I thought this would be like the mini bar. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, and then we go into the living room. I wish I was here more than one night. Very nice big couch, little coffee table, little end table. Over here's another TV. I'm not sure if I have enough TVs, and I'm guessing, oh, here you go. Here's the mini bar with the expensive ass Evian water. And over here, oh, you do have your own fridge. No, we don't have our own fridge. Uh-oh, somebody left their food in here. I'm gonna have to tell them, but we're not touching any of that. I'm not even touching the cake. I'm gonna tell them that somebody left their cake in here. You got a nice little dining table and a little work surface area if you need to do some stuff. You're a businesswoman, you have to take care of business after your business call on the toilet. I have a very nice view of the Strip. I didn't want to have to wait to get a view of the Sphere. I can see the Palazzo pool, so that's really cool. Oh, look, it's really pretty. Let's see, how much can we see? There we go. Very nice. This was a room tour at the Palazzo, Las Vegas. If you liked it, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.